Becoming a security engineer takes time. Learning the fundamentals takes time and is the foundation that your entire career will be built on. In addition to learning the fundamentals, knowing how and where to apply the fundamentals is an entirely different process. So, for example, knowing the various components of a coding language such as Python is different from writing a Python script that can parse JSON files for specific parameters. Equally, knowing what ARP or any other protocol is different from being able to analyze network traffic to determine when ARP is being used for discovery by an attacker in a network. Now, when I was trying to get into cybersecurity, it didn't matter how long it took to get my foot in the door. All that really mattered was I knew I would get the right opportunity when the time was right, as long as I made sure to 1. Study the fundamentals and build my foundational skills. 2. Understand the cybersecurity industry. 3. Build my interviewing skills. 4. Learn how to network within the industry. Having a long-term mindset really helped me during the beginning phases and still helped me today as I face new challenges in my current position. It helped me with facing rejections and knowing how to recalibrate myself for success when the next opportunity came. A long and lasting career is built on deliberate and well thought out decisions. So, not being greedy for money at the entry level stage, choosing positions that I knew I would learn more rather than positions that appeared to have way more prestige. An example of this is like 2 years ago, I had 2 job offers, one from Intel and one for the last company I worked at. Now, Intel is a highly ranked tech company with way more prestige, but I chose a job where I knew I'd have opportunity to learn valuable skills that will propel me forward in my career. Also, as a security engineer, it usually takes some time to network within the industry. In a highly egotistical field like cybersecurity, networking could be difficult without having some sort of achievement to your name, like, some impressive certification or project. So I made a point of duty to take certifications and build projects that benefited me and also made it easier for other cybersecurity professionals to relate with me and also be able to connect with me. This inevitably has led to major networking opportunities that landed me my last job, my current job at Datadog, and various interview opportunities at companies like CrowdStrike, Mandiant by Google Cloud, and several other companies like that. In conclusion, to become a security engineer takes time, but that's completely okay. Even if you land a cybersecurity job, you still have a lot to learn to be really good at what you do. Everyone's journey is going to be completely different, but playing the long-term game for a lasting and fulfilling career will bring you way more opportunities and fulfillment in the long term. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.